Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Heroes. So today in this video I will be showing you how you can create a barcode using Python. So for that we need to install a library. So open your terminal and type pip install python barcode. I'll give this command in the description. Hit enter. In my case, it is showing required already satisfied because I have already installed this package. But in your case, the library will be installed. After that, let's start with our code. So now type from barcode import code 128. Now there are two types. One is code 128 and the another one is EAN 13. So what's the difference is that in code 128 you can type alphanumerical values and in EAN you can only type the numbers. So we'll go with code 128. Now we have to create a new variable data, and in this you can type whatever information you want to store in the barcode. Now once that is done, we have to create a variable bar. You can name the variable anything, then code 128, and in the parenthesis we have to pass data and then bar dot save, and then we have to provide the name of the svg file. The barcode will be saved as svg format, then my barcode. You can type any name. Now before we run this program, make sure to like, share this video, and if you have any problem you can contact me on Instagram or you can comment down below, and please subscribe to the channel. Now let's run the program. See, our program is run and this new my barcode file name and svg format, this is our barcode. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching.